want to change your profile picture on your Steam account, it's pretty straightforward. If you're using a browser or an app, I'll guide you in both conditions. So if you're using a browser, just go to the corner where it says your name, just go on view my profile and just go to setup Steam profile if you're using it for the first time. So just quickly choose the profile name, the real name, and all the information, and then I'll guide you through how we can create or change the profile picture. So now that I have filled in my information, what we can do is to change the picture, we can go to avatar here and just upload your avatar from here. We can also choose it from down below, but if you want to upload your own, you can just use the upload your avatar option. Just choose a suitable photo and we are good to go. Just save it or crop it as you like and click on save. Now it will be added here. Once it shows here, it's a confirmation that your avatar or profile picture is changed. The next time you will not get the option of set up your profile. Whenever you want to go to view my profile, it shows you this option. So if you're on this option, how we can change this? We can click on edit profile and then we go back to this option. Now, if you're using the app, you can check the other video that I'll link in the I button, but the process is pretty much the same. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and I'll see you in the next one.